Alright, I want to do a quick little video on converting DWG files or AutoCAD files. Actually, let me back up. Converting PDF files, portable document format, to DWG or CAD files. So this program I really like using. It's called any DWG or any PDF to DWG Converter. I don't know why I keep saying that backwards. But let's see, I already got, looks like I got something in there already. Let me remove all. And this is basically a PDF of the sample ranch home from our Fire Sprinkler CAD Basics Bootcamp. And it's just a PDF. In fact, I can open it up here, and this is what it looks like. Let me move out of the way a little bit. It's just a floor plan on a PDF. And so if I drag this into here, the thing that I really like about this compared to a lot of PDF conversion options is that here under options, this convert scanned PDF, and you can do it vector tracing by centerline or outline. This aspect of this program works better than any other one I've tried. You know, I'd love to hear about any other programs you guys are using in the comments. There's several PDF to DWG conversion softwares out there that do fine if it was you know, a vector-based file that was made from a CAD program, but when it's a scanned document they really struggle. And this one has this option here. You can just select it and it works better than anything else I've tried so far. It's not perfect, but pretty good. This one that we're doing was converted from a, you know, an actual CAD file, so we don't need to do that, but I'm just going to hit convert now, and it's telling us this is a free version that I'm using on this computer. You can only convert 3 files at a time with it. Now it's saying it's already done. Do you want to open that folder? But I've already got it open here, so I'm going to hit no. And let's see, so this is the CAD file that it just created. Let's open that up and see what it looks like. Alright, so you can see it came across pretty good. There is some issues with the scale, however, which we are going to deal with in another video. But I will just show you real quick, the scale is not correct. This is 46.033 inches. It's a little bit hard to read there. But if we go back, oops, here we go. That would be representing that 51'2". So in the next video, we will demonstrate how we correctly scale something like this to use in our file for designing a sprinkler system on top of. But that's it for today's video. This is how we convert PDFs to DWG using any PDF to DWG converter from any PDF to, oh, it's anydwg.com. It's right here. That's a mouthful. But I believe this program, I'm using the free version here, but on one of my other machines I have the paid version. You know, eventually this will run out of free times, and I believe I paid $180 for this program for the full version. Alright guys, if this content is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. See you next time.